Aloha everybody, Tracy here. Ooh, there's my hand. I'm behind the camera. This is Tita. Aloha Tita. So I want to give a shout out to one of my YouTube viewers, Keelan McDonald. And he asked for help with diphthongs. Keep sending in those questions because we need them and we want to make more videos.
Oh, and just so you peoples know, you have to like this video, make sure to subscribe, and comment down below that you've done those two things.
Makoko.
I.
Okay. E ho'opili mai. Ah.
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 I.
I.
Ai.
I.
Ow.
Ow.
Oh.
Oh.
Okay. Hana ho. Ah.
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 I.
I.
Ai.
I.
Ow.
Oh.
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 Mai kai. So what we want you to do is practice this. Practice it for a while until you get better at it. And then we will bring you another video real soon. Make sure you keep practicing. Aloha. Ahui ho.
Ahui ho, shaka bras. See ya next time.